Hi everyone, I'm Mushta. I'm 20-year-old. So weird. So weird that I turned 20 last week and now I have to introduce myself as a 20-year-old for a whole year. Soon enough, I will stop saying my age in my introduction and we all will know why. 1, 2, 3, I'm Anyways, guys, in this video, I will be sharing what all I got in my 28th birthday. If you haven't watched the vlog yet, go in the description right now and watch it. Out of everybody's, I loved my sister's gift the most, so I will be covering it in the end of this video. I'm sorry if it sounds like a competition, but it is not. There is no competition with my sister either. Because sisters, they know the best. They know what you need, what you want, which is unnecessary, and they will mix all of these things and make you a big ass hamper. So starting with my mom and dad combined. First 12 a.m. cake. It is so cute, the design, the color and the taste specifically. I loved it. Then we have a perfect fitting t-shirt. It says, "Don't touch my soul with dirty hands." I love what it says. I love the color. After that, it's oats container. It comes with a spoon. I think this is because how much I try eating healthy and every time I fail, hence I can store my oats overnight and eat it in the morning. Then we have a coffee frother. Okay. Everybody in my life knows how much coffee freak I am. I love this one. I think my mom doesn't want me to use my sister's frother anymore. Two gifts. I am wearing it right now. First one is this watch from Hot Sauce. I somehow know that my mom knows how much I've been eyeing on watches, specifically green dial. I am so thankful that these jewelries are in gold color and not rose gold because I do not wear rose gold and that is so out of fashion. The next is this pendant which I'm wearing in green stone. I love it so much. This is anti-tarnish. There is another pendant also. It's so beautiful. Coming to the next, इनके gifts तो खत्म ही नहीं हो गए. This artificial plant, I have been needing this since so long. And finally it's here. Tell me how easy it is to make a girl happy. Just give her this one. I don't know इसे क्या कहते हैं. It's some boho looking thing and this artificial flowers. The pot you see here is also a gift from them and it looks so wonderful. And you know, मैंने ये सब देख लिया था कि मेरे घर पे ये सब सामान आ रहा है and I was asking my mom, क्या है ये, किसके लिए, and she was not telling me. Therefore she gave up and told me what all they have been planning to gift me. So ये सब चीज़ें मुझे एक एक करके बर्थडे के पहले ही दिख गया था. इतना देने के बाद भी she thinks this is not enough. When I was cutting cake, she brings this प्रभु जी का hamper. मैंने मठरी पहले ही ख़त्म कर दिया. I love having tea with my मठरी. Then comes my brother's gift. So sure मेरी दी ने help किया है इसको. A classic, not so classic black heels. Oh my god guys, when I tell you I love heels, that means I can freaking die wearing heels. And look at the details over here. How classy it's gonna look on me. Thank you. Sujal has gifted me this coffee maker. ये ऐसे काम करता है. This is so huge. मेरी 2 दिन की कॉफ़ी इसमें आ जाएगी. Do I shout too much that I like coffee? The last time he gave me a bracelet, it broke and shattered into pieces. Hence, this is something is not gonna break so easily. This one is made from silver and honestly, it's so pretty that I never wanna take it off. Design is so beautiful कि ये western और traditional दोनों में काम आ जाएगा. Thank you so much, I love them. Moving on, I got the cutest crockery tea saucer. Do you see these things and feel कि इसे बस सजा के रख दो and you never use it? No, I'm not one of those. I have already used it twice or thrice in this week. I can't keep myself away from these kind of things. Look at, oh my god, I love stupid shits. I knew 100% somebody would give me this thing. The amount of times I have said कि मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए, I just want this crockery set. Thank you so much Gub Bhaiya for this item. I will try to keep it as safe as I can. Then out of nowhere, my cousin Lado has decided to gift me a bouquet full of my photos and some chocolates. Oh my god, how cool is that? And she has chose each and every pretty pictures. Thank you so much, Lado, for your efforts. The fact that somebody is doing that for me, I feel so damn grateful. Then my cousin Sugar decided to make me a card. I love you both so much. I guess it's time for my sister's gift. Let's start with small things first. A clip, scrunchie, these two charms for my phone cover. I am having cuteness attack right now. Then this is something all the creators need. You have to put it in your phone's back cover and your phone is good to stick on any wall and you can shoot literally anywhere. So this is something very thoughtful, honestly. Then we have the cutest phone cover to exist. कितनी प्यारी पपी बनी हुई है इसमें. A bag charm. You can put this in any bag and your bag becomes cute. Why do we get this feeling of eating cute things literally? We have some rings. I'll put it on and show it to you. This looks so beautiful and so aesthetic. One of them is adjustable also. I guess I should keep wearing them. Okay, after that we have Pilgrim's French Love collection. I'm gonna apply French Fantasy right now. Wow, the smell is so delicious. Each one of them smells good AF. I don't want this to end. Next is this bag. So classy. I'm gonna be taking it everywhere. The tweed material in here, it's giving so old money and classy vibes. We have come to the last gift. It's the cutest PJ set. Oh my god. And the pajama is not long, it's short. The perfect thing to wear on summer. Okay guys, before you go away, please let me thank you, each one of you, for even writing me a message, writing me a paragraph, bringing me chocolates, thinking that Rishta might like it. No, absolutely not. I love them. Birthdays do not become automatically beautiful. It's you people who make it beautiful, and I'm so grateful to have you in my life. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next vlog. Bye.